my sister, all of my family. My slime is the part of the family. And my dad is working on his stuff. Here you go, Daddy. Daddy's
Nope, over here.
Okay.
There you go.
Spread it like this. I'm learning this. Oops, the wrong way.
Okay, get another scoop on it.
Oops, the wrong way.
Get another scoop.
I need to wash it.
No, get another scoop.
Okay. One. I'm a good kid.
Yes, you are. Are you my?
Last night I was flying at.
You want some of this?
Nope.
Oh, come on.
Maybe yes.
Hot. Okay. Another scoop.
1, 2, 3. I'll try not to
Be
do.
careful, just little bits. There you go.
Hurry.
And you hold on to that.
1, 2, 3. Wow, look at this.
Okay, can you put that back, please? No, not yet. So we do that.
That is a big scoop. I'm scared.
You burping?
I'm a very good girl, though.
You're a very good girl.
And I'm nice to my friends. I just don't like to play with boyfriends.
You better not have a boyfriend.
I don't have any boyfriend. You know what? It's my girlfriend.
What was that?
It is Canra.
Oh yeah?
And one of my t-shirts are my t-shirts. Michelle is Weston's t-shirt.
Yeah.
And Miss Girly is my t-shirt since she's a girl. Put enough of in and
See this fits.
flip it over. And finally we got a winner.
Okay, so I need the mud.
Okay, I'll give you the mud.
Okay.
Right here,
Yep,
I got your big scoop.
right there. Oh, nope.
Oops,
Okay,
I'm always,
that's okay.
I'm not careful all the time.
No, it's an accident.
Yeah, I'm just saying from it. I'm not careful with stuff. Can I touch the water? Can I?
Sure. Like dried out skin and all that good stuff.
I got the sponge.
Yeah.
All the way down. Now it's here. One and two. And a 1 and a 2. 1, 2, 3. That's 3.
Well, you sure do know how to find everything in here, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe I ought to start having you look for my tools. That'd be silly.
Oh, so you know how to make tools. Hey, Daddy, watch this.
I see ya.
Look,
Wow.
it's like it's peeing.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
No one on Daddy.
Since the water came out from the bottom, it's because it's peeing.
Nice. You think Daddy can say something to the camera?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, without a lot of sound effects. Can I?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
You're not gonna interrupt, right?
Is it okay to clean now?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll get water. Clean. I'll clean this rock.
Okay, can you do it quietly so Daddy can talk for a second?
Yeah.
So I had a few comments on buttering the ends and the bottoms of these. Typically, if I was doing block work, that's what I'd be doing because it's so much faster than packing in the layers or packing in between. But being as how these are all very odd shapes and they're quite large, I'd end up shaking most of the mortar off by the time I got it in place. And also, these shapes are so odd to work with. Excuse me. Okay, don't wash any more right here yet.
Okay.
These shapes are so odd to work with that they, I kind of have to set them straight down. I can't set them down and push them against each other very well and have it come out the way I want. Now, granted, I'm sure those of you who've done a lot more stone work and masonry work than I have, you probably know much better than I do, but that's kind of the reason behind what I'm doing here and the way I'm doing it.
It's freeze.
Can you wash that off?
Yes.
Good job. We're on the home stretch there, Marion. You know what that means?
But
It means we're almost done.
look.
Oh, good job.
I'll clean more. I always clean more clean. You know what?
Okay, don't get any more on here, okay? See how that's, you're washing the mud out. Okay?
Can I wash this one or this one?
I'll let you go over there and wash. Let me move the bucket.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I don't keep my wrong. Moving on.
You're doing really good.
Let me do some more. Excuse me.
There you go. Put that right there.
Excuse me.
Excuse you.
I'm the washer team.
You're the washer team.
And my washer dad is trying to do that stuff too. And I am the washer team of all time.
You're the washer team of all time.
Yeah.
Crazy is what you are.
Because I get off. Oh, thank you.
Okay, don't touch this one
Bye.
because the mud's really soft. And we don't want it getting out of whack because these are our top stones, so we have to be really careful with them. Okay, enough of that. No more water in this rock, okay? Why don't you do this one here?
Okay.
I'm washing all my mud out. I think Daddy might have messed this one up. What do you think?
It looks good.
Good thing you're paid to say that, huh? Are you paid to say that?
Yeah, but it looks good. Look. Crazy.
Are you having fun making a wicked mess?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I'm making and then I like spiders dead. ED dead. So
ED dead? Ah!
the spider's not ED dead.
The DED dead?
So I kind of like this video of
You know there's going to be some turkey in the comments correcting your spelling, right?
and it's kind of like we're making a toy house, but we're not. We're making a fan. We're making something to surprise you.
Oh, we're surprising them?
And what is his name?
What is his name?
What?
Oh, they have a lot of names, the folks who watch.
What name is him?
What name is him?
I don't know his name.
Say hi, Thomas Russell.
Hi, Thomas Russell, but
Say hi, Mike Hegdahl.
hi, Ted.
Mike Hegdahl.
So, as you
Say
see,
hi, Jimmy Cole.
hi, Jimmy Cole, but
Say hi, Super Spy.
hi, Super Spy.
Say hi, Jose Ortiz.
Hi, we're TT. So, we're exploring the insects of tireless of seeing of whole wide world. I think I can see their house from that camera.
You think you could see their house from there?
Yeah, because there's a roof and a house.
Oh.
It might be their house, but maybe they're in their house talking to us.
They could be. They're probably screaming at the screen right now.
Because it is a real. I thought you were drinking out of that yucky water.
Can you say hello, Doug?
Hello, Doug, but are you in your house? I cannot speak English.
Say hello, Graham.
Hey, hello, Graham. There's a dead bug in here.
Say hello, old school.
Hello, old school.
Say hello, retiring renegade.
Hello, tiny and renegade. So, as you see, we're making kind of like a tree house or something. I don't know, but we're surprising you to look at it, and you can come look at it, but in the screen though.
You can come look at it in the screen. Is that what you're telling them?
Yeah, but my dad's with me in the screen because I don't.
All right, that's what we have, everybody. I'll walk you around it. Try to keep steady. So, I have another big mess to clean up, but that's all right. So what we're going to do, I've got some, I have some, it looks like hell on the inside. That's all right. See, the little Foreman put some little rocks in there of her own. But, so yeah, let's walk around the other side. So what we're going to do, get you guys set up here. All right, so the next step out here, what we're going to do with this guy, I've got some plate steel. We're going to make a whole new top for our forge. Before I had a pretty thin piece of sheet metal. It worked fine, but now we have some 3/8 plate steel. We're going to make a whole new top for this thing. And what we're going to do, I'm going to get it on here, level it up, and then I'm going to mud up to the bottom of it. I'll put a big bed around this, a big deep bed. We'll set it down on top, and then we'll go from there. Probably put some pins, weld some threaded rod or something to the bottom of it.
Hey, don't forget to put the dust in, okay?
Don't forget to put the dust in.
No, the dust for the TV stuff.
There's no TV going in here.
No, it'd be one made out of rocks.
So I guess we're going to have a Flintstone style TV in here, I'm told, sitting on top of this thing because that's what the little Foreman wants.
I like TVs, and we need sticks to cover the roof.
And I guess we need sticks to cover the roof. Is there anything else?
Yeah, we need to cover all of the mosses so there can be a pet when we get in there.
Oh, okay.
So if we can catch them in these buckets, and if we can find the biggest top we can just keep them for pets.
Okay. The best thing about a 4-year-old is they're so indecisive, they're so inarticulate, and they're so honest. The whole world is just magical to little people.
And especially me as the good girl.
Yeah, are you my favorite?
Yeah, but
Are you better than the older
I
kids?
need one more thing to talk you for the room. We need some wood to stash the TV up so it doesn't fall.
I guess we need some wood to hold the stone TV up so it doesn't fall.
Yeah, and apply some of this mud and mix it up with this powder.
This is why she's not allowed to run jobs very often. She just takes right over. It's her favorite thing to do. Are you the boss?
Right now.
Right now? Okay. Well, say goodnight, everybody.
Say good night, but one more thing. If you can apply this light into the room, you can see much better. Because not.
All right, everybody. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Sorry if you don't like kids. She was in a video a while back where I was working on something and I actually had complaints about my little girl being in the video.
Do you like little cats?
Are you waiting for him to answer?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. Have a good night, everybody.
Good night. Is it night at the house? Yeah.
Could be.